Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at IIMZS Jhansi. Students, today we will continue the same topic, that is linear programming, and this is lecture 2. In this lecture we will discuss about transportation problem, how equation will be made in transportation problem. Okay, so I am taking question number 2 of your NCERT. In this, P and Q are two go downs, big factories. From here, some quantities to be delivered to small shops A, B, C. The production capacity of P and Q is 400 units and 500 units respectively, and the daily requirement of these small shops A, B, C are 120 units, 150 units and 350 units respectively. Now the transportation cost from P to A is rupees 10, and from P to B is rupees 15, and from P to C rupees 5, and similarly from Q to A, B, C 25, 5 and 4 respectively. Now let us suppose X number of quantity delivered from P to A. Okay, now the daily requirement of shop A is 120 units. So shop A will take X unit from P, and remaining, that is 120 minus X, will take from factories Q. Similarly, B takes Y units from P, and remaining, that is 150 minus Y, from Q. Now the quantity left with A will be delivered to shop C, that is 400 minus X minus Y. Similarly, quantity to be delivered to shop C will be 500 minus 120 minus X minus 150 minus Y, in this way. So now we are in position to form constraints. So constraints, first of all, equations. So X and Y are quantities, so they must be greater or equal to 0. Quantity can never be negative. Okay, now first equation will be 400 minus X minus Y should be greater or equal to 0, and on solving this we will get X plus Y less than or equal to 100. Similarly, 120 minus X greater or equal to 0, this will be X less than 120, and next Y less than or equal to 150, and from here we will get X plus Y greater or equal to minus 230. Okay, now we have to find transportation cost. Okay, so transportation cost will be obtained by multiplying the transportation charge with the number of quantities. Okay, so 10 into X plus 15Y plus 5 into, in this way we will get transportation cost. And it should be noted that transportation cost will be minimum. Okay, now plot these equations on the graph. The graph will be provided you in the exam. Okay, so this is the required graph of these equations. Now we have to shade the common region between these all lines. So PQ RST is the feasible region. Okay, this is the feasible region. So this is all over about transportation problem. I hope that this video will help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.